winter out here in Montana, Boulder, Montana, and we're trying to get some coyotes out here today. It's like 80 degrees still, but it's like 8 o'clock at night, but that's when they're going to be active this time of year, so let's get.
Here in Montana, we're hunting coyotes.
Watch out for coyotes. They like to travel these fence lines, trails, and four-wheeler roads.
Pretty good. Didn't really see anything, but we heard a lot. A lot of barks, a lot of movement, but no coyotes yet.
Hey guys, so we just got back to the truck, and mosquitoes are really bad. Yeah, the mosquito spray is not that good. I might have to apply it some more frequently, because yeah, I don't know what's up with it, because we sprayed and we still got 8 alive. So we're just out here, me and Cayman, just back at the truck right before dark. I don't know, and it has a pretty big full moon out there.
Hell, there's mosquitoes in here and everything.